everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between line chart and the bar chart in Power BI and when to use line chart and when to use bar chart. But before I dive into that, if you are new to Power BI or Tableau, make sure to check out my previous videos on these topics. You can find the link to my playlist in the description below. Now, let's talk about the line chart and the bar chart. A line chart is used to display data points connected by lines, which makes it useful for showing trends over time or for tracking changes in values over a period. For instance, you can use a line chart to display monthly sales over a year or trend of website visitors over a time. So a line chart can be used to show the relationship between two continuous variable, and it is useful when the data set has more than 3 data points. So here, this is the Power BI. I'm just showing the demo with the Power BI. Okay. So if you just go and select the date, okay, and then if you select the sales, okay. So by default, what Power BI is doing, it is creating a line chart. Okay, this is what trends over the time. So what else can be created with this line chart? So if you see here, so you can create more information, like you can add the trend line. Okay, so this is a line graph. Okay, you can see that's what trend is happening over the time. So on the other hand, a bar chart is used to display data using rectangular bars. You can find all the bar charts. So we have already discussed about the bar charts. So here you can see. So here you can see these are all the possible bar charts which are available, and these are all the various line charts which can be used in Power BI. On the other hand, a bar chart is used to display data using rectangular bars, which makes it useful for comparing different data points or categories. So here, since I showed this is the line graph, so let me create another graph for this. So I'm just going to select the product by sales. Okay, so by default, what this Power BI is generating, it is generating a bar graph. Okay, so you can see here that this is a clustered bar chart. If you wanted to change, you can even change it here. Okay, whereas you can add some more data into it, like product, and product wise, if you have a segment or a product, country, if I want to add the country. Okay, so you can see, so this will create a bar graph. Okay, so a bar chart are commonly used to represent data that has distinct categories. Okay, for example, you can use a bar chart to display sales by product or revenue by region. Okay, so this is sales by product and country. Okay, and you can even remove this. This is sales by product, and if even if you want to go with a revenue by region, country. So bar charts are also useful when you want to show the frequency of data distribution or comparison between a small number of data points. So let us take an example. Okay, suppose you are analyzing the sales data of a company in a particular year. Okay, for a particular year, sales data of a company for year. Okay, you want to show the sales performance of each product over the year. In this case, you can use a bar chart to display the sales of each product, where each product is represented by a bar. The height of the bar represents the sales revenue. Okay, that is sales by sales revenue. Okay, this will help you easily compare the sales of a different products and identify the best selling product. Now, let's suppose you want to track the sales trend of a particular product over the year. Okay, in this case, you can use a line chart to display the sales trend of the product over the year. The x-axis can be the time period. Okay, so this is what I have created. So the x-axis can be the time period. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, that is the time period. It might be the month, it might be the day. So you can furthermore drill down if you want. You can furthermore drill down. So here, if you just click here, you can see you have the drilling down. Quarter wise, it's drilled down, and this is month wise. So x-axis can be the time period. You can where you can drill down like a month or year or quarter or day, and the y-axis be the revenue. So this is the x-axis and this is the revenue. So here I have used the profit. If you want, you can even go with the sales. Okay, the line chart will help you to identify the sales trend over time and predict the future sales of the product. So you can even predict the sales here. Okay, this is where we have to choose wisely. If you want to show the sales trend over the year, over the quarters, or over the month, then you have to go with the line chart. Or else, if you want to just show the sales for the particular product or sales for the particular country, then you have to choose the bar chart. Okay, so in summary, both line charts and bar charts are powerful visualization tool which is used to visualize the data, but they are useful for different scenarios. So the line charts are useful for tracking changes over time and displaying the relationship between two continuous variables. So here this is a continuous variable, date is a continuous, and this is also a continuous, so sales revenue. Well, the bar chart is useful for comparing data across different categories or to show the frequency of the data distribution. It's essential to select the right chart type based on the data you want to visualize to convey the right insights to your audience. So, like Power BI and Tableau, it can by default understand like what it want. Okay, what type of chart it has to visualize. Okay, so you can just give the choice to Power BI or Tableau, or else in some cases if you wanted to decide, then you can decide based on the data you have. Okay, so if you have any doubts or questions about this topic or any topic which is related to Power BI or Tableau, leave them in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with others who might also benefit from it and also like it. Don't forget to check out my previous videos on Power BI and Tableau. The link to my playlist is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.